Okay, guys, we are back at it, and it has been a while since we talked about GMEs and AMCs. As we can see that AMC and the GME back on overall weekly chart are still down to massive discounts. Let me tell you a story about once upon a time, and this was a long time ago when the markets came in for the big meme rally. We talking about GMEs went from nose down there all the way up to that, and AMCs went from all the way down there from nose all the way up to that up there. That's like $400. Now things look a little bit different right now because they all came in for splits and stuff. AMC for sure did. They came in for splits. They made spinoffs. They made eight stock and then converted that back in. They done did all kinds of things and stuff like that. At the end of that big meme era, it was a lot of companies and things that actually did not even survive. Not only the stocks, but even some of the CEOs. You guys know what I'm talking about with Bed Bath and Beyond. Now, we got AMC and BNGME being the big survivors of the big meme era, man, and neither one of them move like they used to before. Okay, both of them have proven that they are strong enough in the world to still remain, as a lot of those stocks in the meme era and coins and whatnot did not. But GME, as you can see, doesn't take those movements like it used to. I bet they find this hard to trade. They probably find this extremely hard to trade now. There's no clear guidance or movement. Like they're not gonna come up with no hot catalyst at all for GameStop or AMC. This they would they would have been there. You know what I mean? Like years ago, and even back when around the big meme rallies, some of the little pieces of news that were coming out back when, so a lot of traders and investors weren't as wise as they are now. A lot of people have spent a long time watching the bankability videos and doing their studying and stuff like that to realize what type of different catalysts can come and what kind of companies are powerful or not. And AMC and GME have really been losing all of the juice that they have. Every time GME even comes before a spike, look at that, it sell right back off. I give some target ranges. If the markets do, because keep in mind that everything is all bearish right now on the markets. Like they crashing everything back down. Like they're actually buying things back up at this exact moment. So that's very good. You can see a little bit of bullishness starting to come back in. But if they do decide to remain bullish on the markets coming into the next trading days, let's say like for your GME and AMC people who like to go for your options, right? Maybe you want to be going for your strike prices, you will be getting calls to bet that GME breaks past 26 because the next stop for GME would be about to 27. If it could break past that, get stopped around 228. Probably not getting past that 228 at all. And that's if they come out with something extra bullish, even push them up that far. But the market's getting ready to pull it back down. So GME, if it don't hold up at this $26, then the next stop is going to be about $25. And then after that, the next stop is about 24. Probably won't go no lower than that. If they go lower than that, then it's just gonna start going back down. It's probably just gonna crash down to about 20 from there. People probably gonna lose hope in it. But well, that's if you're going that's for going both. Those are targets for both directions. Right now, the current direction on everything really is getting more bearish at this current time. It's probably finna crash back down tomorrow. As you can see, even things like AMC coming in for a bit more bearishness as well. They got an average volume of 13.94 million and the current volume of 3.84 million. We've seen once upon a time, remember when AMC and GME is back on the most active list and they used to get such insane amounts of volume. AMC now getting 3.84 million in volume. They don't even do nothing no more like they used to. But they still go for they options. So you going for your options, and you can see that's already going in for around a bearishness. Your next stop down until it gets back oversold. You'll probably be getting your options to about $3. That's gonna be a drop back down until it gets back oversold on AMC. And for those of you who really think this thing gonna stay bullish. I mean, like if you're going for a quick move, you're not gonna get that quick move today. You probably not gonna get tomorrow. In fact, you probably not gonna get that. Probably not gonna get that. AMC not even moving as powerful as GME is. So but like I say, this is just a quick update. I'm not in either one of these stocks. I know a lot of you are looking into these, and I know a lot of people have been long-term holders and believers of these ever since back in the great meme rallies back when. And if you are bag holders in there or whatever you got going on, it'll probably be time to just go ahead and get ready for the next stocks. These things not finna make that recovery. Like they were way back up at those highs once upon a time. They struggle now, but nonetheless, though, let's go see what Mumu has to say about AMC and GME at this exact current time.
Look out for GME. They every time they get word of buying Bitcoin, they seem to get a little bit of a hike.
Oh, I see, I see. Oh, they be buying the Bitcoin now.
Uh, they've they've uh, they've thought about it. I don't know if they've actually made the move on it. GME is also a very independent company compared to a lot of stuff on the market
Oh, I
because
see,
they
I
got
see.
they got rid of all their inside traders and reestablished management.
I see, I see. That's very good, very good. Thank you for that. I didn't know that they were buying up the Bitcoin. That's what it's all about now these days is getting that Bitcoin, getting their Bitcoin reserves, buying up their Bitcoin miners and stuff like that. We see how important that is to these companies now. And right now, at current time, you got the extra largest going out of GME, with some largest coming in, mediums going out, and largest going out of GME at exact time. And you look deeper on AMC as well. AMC has the extra larges going out, the largest going out, mediums going out, and smalls going out. They will as well follow along with the overall market condition. Like I say, things are turning a bit more bearish for right now for lots of reasons. As really, they just people need a catalyst. They everybody the world wants another piece of big Trump news or something like that, and the market's overbought. The things pull back, have your stop loss. We'll keep these things updated. I'll see y'all next one there. Happy trade.